How to connect Facebook Messenger with Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Messenger account with the Instagram account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Messenger app and now here tap on your profile in the top left corner. Now here scroll down and here under account you will see account settings. Tap on it. Now in settings, account settings, scroll down and here tap on account center. In account center, tap on setup account center. And here Facebook Messenger will probably show you your Instagram account. So for me it's showing my Instagram account, and for you if it's also showing Instagram your account here, you just have to tap on continue and tap on yes, finish setup. And now my Instagram and Messenger is connected. So this is how you can connect Messenger with Instagram. Thanks for watching.